So namaskar everybody. In this video we will be discussing the question paper of Odisha Civil Services 2019 GS paper 1, that is the GK paper, and this is series A. In this class I will be discussing the solutions also along with the question paper. First question: the headquarter of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is located at dash. So as you know, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, the headquarters is in Beijing, China, and this is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. But one thing you should know about this bank is that here, apart from the Asian members, the membership is open also to the European, USA, to the entire world basically. So AIIB does not mean it only has the Asian members. This is something you have to remember. Another thing that you can remember is that in this bank, China has the highest voting power. Now let us move on to the next question. So it is asking 124th Constitution Amendment Bill took the form of dash Constitution Amendment Act. So as you know, there is a difference between your bill and the act. The work of legislative is to pass the bill, but the work of the executive is to translate it into an act. So sometimes the bill number is also important, which is asked. So anyway, the options are 101 amendment, 102 amendment, 103rd amendment, and 106th amendment. So the correct answer is 103rd amendment. And if you know what is the 103rd amendment, it is talking about the EWS reservation, economically weaker section. So for them the reservation, EWS reservation of additional 10%. So that was discussed here, right? Now moving on to the next question, it is asking India's first national film museum was set up in dash. So it was set up in Mumbai, and since it was set up in 2019, so it is a current affairs question which has been asked. Next question, it is asking the World Consumer Rights Day 2019 was observed on dash. So as you know, 15th of March, this is asking about the World Consumers Rights Day, not the Indian Consumer Rights Day. So internationally we celebrate this day on 15th of March. The theme of this day was Trusted Smart Product. Okay, and if you talk about the Indian Consumer Rights Day, that means the day when the COPRA Act, Consumer Protection Act 1986 was taken up. So that is basically your 10th of October. But here it is asking about World Consumer Rights Day. So I hope you understand the difference here. The correct answer is 15th of March. Next question, it is asking the name of the application launched by the Reserve Bank of India to help visually challenged to identify denomination of notes is dash. So the correct answer is Money app. The abbreviated form of Money is Mobile Aided Note Identifier. Next question. The name of the first cybercrime prevention unit of India is dash. So as you know, in Gujarat, with the name of Ashwast, the first cybercrime prevention unit of India has been set up. So the correct answer is option D, Ashwast. Moving on to the next question. As on today, which one of the following countries is not a member of the European Union? The options are Belarus, Latvia, Malta, Ireland. So the correct answer is Belarus. Belarus is not a member of the European Union. Next question. Which one of the following persons is the first Lokpal of India? Options are Ranjan Gogoi, T.S. Thakur, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh, Madan Lokar. So the correct answer is option C, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh, and he was a retired Supreme Court judge. So guys, by the question paper previous year discussion, you can basically see what kind of pattern is asked, which questions from which topic the questions are again and again asked, and likewise you can prepare for the next year also. As you know, just I think 30 to 33 days are only left for your prelims OCS examination. So I think this discussion will be immensely helpful for you. Next question. The first Indian equestrian means ghudsavar, horse rider, who is officially qualified to represent India for the Tokyo Olympics. So one question from Olympics, okay, it is every year you can see it. Anyways, the options are Jitendra Virwani, Fawad Mirza, Imtiaz Anis, IJ Lamba. So the correct answer is option B. But right now you have to talk about the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Okay, so this is not so important. You have to talk about the current affairs of Olympics 2020. Next question it is asking Sukanya project, a self-defense training to the girl students is an initiative by the Dash Police. The correct answer is Kolkata Police. Next question. The country which supplied Apache AH-64E helicopters to India is Dash. USA, Russia, France, Korea. So the correct answer is option A, USA. Next question. The hosting country to celebrate World Environment Day. So World Environment Day, as you know, 5th of June, it is observed as World Environment Day 2020. Which was the hosting country? So UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Program, headquartered Nairobi in Kenya, and they decided that Colombia along with Germany will be hosting the World Environment Day 2020. Moving on to the next question. The present chairman of Odisha Public Service Commission is Dash. So previously the chairman was Brigadier L.C. Patnaik. Right now he is Satyendra Mohanty. So recently he is appointed, so this question is important also. And OPSC chairman, guys, if you study about the State Public Service Commission chairman, so they are appointed for the tenure of 6 years or 62 years of age, whichever is earlier. And if you talk about the UPSC chairman, so they are appointed for again 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. Okay. UPSC chairman, UPSC members are appointed by the president. And OPSC chairman, yeah, you can say the State Public Service Commission chairman, the members are appointed by the governor. Okay. Next question. The first Arab country to be granted full membership of the FATF is Dash. Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Dubai. So this is again a current affairs question. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Moving on to the next question. This is a question from Art and Culture. The numerous caves on the Udaygiri and the Khandagiri hills of Odisha testify to the Dash. The options are continued existence of Jain faith in Odisha, popularity of Buddhism in Odisha, existence of both Buddhism as well as Jainism in Odisha. Option D, Ashoka made special contribution to the ancient art of Odisha. So the correct answer is option A.